Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it's a new to me makeup video. But I've noticed that this month I don't have that much to throw in this video, even though you guys did just see that PR unboxing, because I have found that some of the things like they need like their own type of video, not one where I'm trying a whole bunch of new things at once. So there's not that much in this month's trying new to me, but I still got some new things, and I think a palette that a lot of you wanted to see. So if you guys want to see all that, then let's go. So the first thing I have is the new Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. It's their latest like rainbow eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Can I just say, like, y'all gotta give us some mirror in this palette. Like, that's the thing about Colourpop, they give you 18 palettes a month, where like you could give 6 and maybe like up production in what you're putting out with those 6, like giving us a mirror in a palette like this. Like, they have mirrors in some of the weirdest palettes, and then palettes that probably should have one don't, but that's not the biggest deal here. This is what it looks like. Let's see what we're going to do today. I'm trying to avoid green because I do green a lot. I don't do pink eyeshadow often, I don't think. Okay, let's just use the pink line. I'm gonna take this shade Lovecraft right here. Listen, off to a rough start today, okay? Might be TMI, your girl already had to boo-boo twice today before she could sit down and start filming. I just need the rest of today to go right, okay? Because I can't take much at this point. At this point, we already know about lighter colors from Colourpop. We're just placing it down. I'm gonna take this shade Paradise, pretty much on top of that. And then let's try this shade Fantasyland as my first lid shade. And then this pink shimmer right next to it. Y'all see how that pink shade doesn't want to show up pink on my eye? And it's a shimmer too. And y'all know the rules about shimmers. Okay. I added purple on the ends because the pink in the middle was just not, it wasn't showing up to the party on my eyes. I don't know, like, I feel like for what the colors look like in the pan, like, they should look better on my eyes. I don't know, not feeling this palette. I'm gonna try some of Midas's Neon Cake Liners. I'm gonna use the blue shade. You gotta wet these first, so. You know, if you hate your eyeshadow, just cover it up with eyeliner. If you end up hating your eyeliner too, then, you know, just dust yourself off and try again another day. I'm gonna move on to primer. This is from Pixi. This is their Brightening Vitamin C Balancing Priming Oil. I don't think you're supposed to shake this, because I shook it and it went right back. Like, it looked like this before, but then I shook it and it went right back to this, but now it looks, I don't, well, you know what, just gonna, today is just off to a go with the flow start. So that's what it looks like when you pick it up in the dropper. Ooh, okay. Running all over the place. Yeah, smells citrusy. I'm gonna still put another primer on just because that felt like a moisturizer to me. Actually, it didn't feel like an oil either. Like, y'all saw how it was running like that? It felt legit like yellow water on my face. This is from Rimmel. It's their Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I don't like that mister. You see how it's like low-key? There's like a line that low-key shoots out at you. Okay. What's that smell? Is it cucumber? It might be cucumber. And then I've got these new, well, they're not new, but They're new to me. Creamy lip oils from Vesca. We just gotta find a shade that we want to use. Y'all saw there was a random double in there, but let's do a little bit of this shade, Morning Glory. No, this smells like cotton candy. Well, same thing, but have to be specific with my scent updates. And then I'm gonna do some of this shade, what is it, Ginger Lily? Yeah, Ginger Lily. So I want to try one of these lashes from Colourpop. I don't know which one. I didn't bring scissors to trim anything, so let's go with one that looks like the band will just naturally fit my eyes. Let's say this one. Let's go with this one. So that is it for my face today. Honestly, walking away from this video, the only things I'm feeling are these liners from Midas. Listen, all right, easy to use and the color is there, okay? They've got the neon ones. I also had the pastel ones that I showed in the unboxing. These lip oils, I always call them lip glosses, but these oils also here for it, but I should let that be known. This is gonna slide off as soon as you eat something. Like I could right now just take the whole thing off. So keep that in mind if you're, well, with the way things are right now. I don't know what you guys are wearing under mask. If you're wearing anything on your lips under mask, I'm assuming for most people like me, it's kind of like a lip balm, chapstick, stuff like that. But if you put a mask on over this, it's gonna be, take the mask off, the print's gonna be right there on the mask. So keep that in mind on where you're wearing this to if you're going anywhere. And the setting spray, because I like the finish of my face. Why am I tilting? I like the finish, oh, so I can see the mirror. I like the finish of this, my skin after using the setting spray. Like it brings in just enough matteness, but still enough soft. So I've got soft matte going on right now. So really those are the only things that I tried today that I'm kind of here for. I don't know where I stand on the Pixi priming oil because like I said, it felt like, you know, just yellow water on my face. Do you guys feel like it's giving me like a brightened look underneath my makeup? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. And the eyeshadow palette, like I said, I don't know what that was. Okay, I don't, which is weird because I feel like, I don't know, there's like depth in the palette when you open it, but it's not translating onto my eyes. I know someone's gonna say, well, why don't you try with, you know, like a lighter white base? It's like I shouldn't have to do that, especially when there are other eyeshadows that I have that don't require that. So I mean, yeah, if you want to like test it out that way, if you buy it and you're like, how do I make it work, that is how you make that eyeshadow palette work. You use a lighter base on you. But again, if I've got eyeshadows that already do that, I'm just gonna use those. I don't remember if I said it or not, but if you really want like color eyeshadow from Colourpop that's going to do it on you, on your skin tone, you gotta get those little like mini palettes, the ones that like green, blue, like the palette packaging itself, green, blue, purple, all those little mini eyeshadow palettes. That is where Colourpop is going to come through with especially colorful eyeshadow that'll work on, you know, like some of my skin tone, darker stuff like that. This newness they've been putting out, I don't know what's going on, but okay. Oh, the lashes, a lot more simpler of a lash than what I usually wear, but they're nice. And these are, it's Colourpop, so these got to be affordable lashes. I lied, by the way. I didn't go with these. I went with this one down here. I don't know what any of these are called, so I'm just like pointing if you purchase the same thing so you know which one I'm talking about. But I'm wearing these right here on my eyes today. And yeah, I think that's it for everything that I tried on my face today. You know, take away the eyeshadow. I'm here for, like, even the blue that I used down here didn't want to like show up. It's a dark blue. I shouldn't have to be fighting with you to show up on me. So yeah, I don't know. Like, this is not the way that we want to start out December, especially trying new things, okay? But like I said, there are a whole bunch of other stuff that I tried in the unboxing that I have like specific videos in mind for. Some of them will be coming this month. hopefully I can get, I don't know, we'll see what the uploads look like this month. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope seeing me try some of these things has helped. If any of you are thinking of trying it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.